Friends, are you ready to hear our story?
Once, Ivy the iguana went to Inchworm Mall to have her favorite ice cream. Little Inchworm was also there. When she saw Ivy,
Aha! Ivy the iguana is here. I wanted to say hello to her. She is so kind. She saved me from the black spider.
as Ivy was relishing her ice cream, little Inchworm climbed onto her shoulder to greet her.
Hello, Ivy.
Ivy the iguana felt a tickling in her ear and she spilled her ice cream on her favorite dress and she started screaming.
Ee, 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 ee.
Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello, teacher.
Say hello to your friends.
Hello, friends.
In this episode, we will be learning phonics with Monami. And today, we will learn the sound of a new letter. But first, let us play a game of guessing the sounds. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss.
So let's start. Now, listen to this sound.
Is it a whistle?
Yes, this is the sound of a whistle. Now, next.
Bye.
Yes, very good. Now listen to this one.
Bird.
Yes, this is the tooting of an Indian robin. Now next.
No, miss.
It's an insect chirping of cricket.
Cricket.
Yes, not the sport. Cricket is also the name of an insect. Those are different sounds. Similarly, all these letters in English alphabet have their sounds.
E, e, e.
Oh, letter I. Hello, letter I. Letter I is trying to pull something. What is it, letter I? Oh, letter I has bought a basket for us. Thank you, letter I. Now let us see what is inside this basket. What is this, Monami?
Ink pot.
Yes. Now this one. This is an inch tape for measuring length. Now next.
Igloo. Igloo.
Next.
Map.
Yes, this is the map of India. Now this one.
It's an insect. Insect.
Yes, this is an insect. Inchworm, inch tape, ink pot, igloo, India. All these words start with I sound. That is the sound of letter I. This is an uppercase I, big I or capital I. And this is small I or lowercase I? Can you repeat after me, Monami? This is capital I, big I or uppercase I?
Capital I, big I, uppercase I.
And this is small I or lowercase I?
Small I, lowercase I. I is my name, I is my sound.
Now let us say the I sound together. Let us say it loudly. I, 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 I,
I, I, I, I, I, I.
Let us say it softly. I, 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 I,
I, I, I, I, I, I.
Now let us say it to each other. I, 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 I. Now say it to your friends.
I, 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 I.
Good. Well done. Are you all ready to play I Spy with letter I?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. So let's start.
I, 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 I. I spy. It's in the number 6. I, 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 I. I spy. It's in the juice. I, 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 I. I spy. It's on the twig. I, 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 I. I spy on the bee. I, 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 I. I spy on the fish. I, 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 I. I spy on the lid.
Well done, Monami. You managed to find them all. Activity time for you children. Circle the letter I in the number name 6 in the word twig, sandwich and fish. Excellent, all of you. Now let us revise. Which letter is this?
Big I or uppercase I, lowercase I.
And what is the sound of letter I?
I, 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 I.
Very good. Well done. Children, today we have learned the short sound of letter I. In our next episode, we will learn the sound of a new letter. And please do not forget to like,
Subscribe and share the channel.
bye.
Bye, friends.